How to upload high quality reels on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner. And here click on settings and privacy. Once this page opens up, you will need to scroll down till you find a section called Your App and Media. And from there, click on Data Usage and Media Quality. You will be redirected here, in which you will see a section that says media upload quality, and it has an option that says upload at highest quality. Now as you can see, it tells you always upload the highest quality photos and videos, etc. Now the next step from here is to click on the toggle next to that option to turn it on, and by doing that, every reel or video that you will upload from now on will be uploaded at the highest quality possible. So that was it for this video. That's how you can upload reels on Instagram using the highest quality. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.